interactive family book, and I hope you learned I, J, K, and L. And today we're going to learn M, N, O, and P. And I hope you guys will have fun with me today. First letter is M. Can you say M? And both of your lips need to touch together. And now I'm going to say the sound. Mmm. Can you say mmm? Good job. Guys, can you say more? Good job. Now can you say more? Great. Now can you say mouse? Good job. Now can you say map? Map. Good. Now can you say monster? Good. And excellent. Our second letter is N. Can you say N? And can you say Your tongue needs to go ahead. And can you say Good job. Guys, can you say mat? Good. Can you repeat it? Nice. Now can you say net? Good. Can you repeat? Nice. Now can you say new? Good. And can you repeat it? Good job. Our third letter is O. Can you say O? O. Good. Can you repeat? Good job. Guys, can you say Ollie? Good. Can you repeat? Nice. Now can you say octopus? Good job. Can you repeat? Nice. Can you say orange? Good job. Can you repeat? Nice. Our last alphabet is P. And your tongue needs to go in the middle. And can you say Good. Can you repeat? Nice. Can you say pirate? Pirate. Good. Can you repeat? Excellent. Can you say pogo? Nice. Can you repeat? Excellent. Can you say pigeon? Pigeon. Great. Can you repeat? Excellent. Can you say pizza? Pizza. Good job. Now we're going to learn 4 words. Our first word is mountain. Can you say mountain? And our tongue goes in the middle. And I write it down for you so you can read it. Can you say mountain? Good. Can you repeat mountain? Good job. Our second word is November. November. Can you say November? Good. Can you repeat? Nice. Our third word is October. October. Can you say October? And your tongue goes in the middle. Can you say October? Good job. Can you repeat? Nice. Our last word for today is pineapple. And I write it down, pineapple down over here for you. So it will be easier. And your tongue goes in the middle. Can you say pineapple? Good job. Can you repeat? Nice. Now we learned 4 alphabets and 4 words. And I hope you learned. And yesterday, I did a video with my brother. And it was numbers. And can you click the subscribe button so you can see all the Family Books channels and click the like and the bell button. Bye!